Multiple sclerosis, or MS, is a long-lasting disease that can affect your brain, spinal cord, and the optic nerves in your eyes. It can cause problems with vision, balance, muscle control, and other basic bodily functions. The effects are often different for everyone who has this disease. Some people have mild symptoms and don't need treatment. Others will have trouble getting around or doing any daily tasks. In a normal transduction pathway, signal transduction occurs in 3 phases. The first step is reception and binding of a signaling molecule to a receptor protein. The second step is a change in the shape of the receptor protein due to the binding of the signaling molecule. The third and final step is the turning of the signal into a cellular response. In the human body, nerve cells communicate through the process of transmitting electrical signals called action potentials down the long nerve fibers called axons, which are contained within the insulated substance called myelin. The myelin sheath around the axon acts as insulation and enhances the signal's speed, helping to conduct the signal onto the next neuron. In a person with multiple sclerosis, however, immune cells known as T cells attack the myelin sheath which insulate and protect the axon. This begins to destroy the myelin sheath, causing inflammation, scarring the nerve fiber underneath it, also known as sclerosis. Since a neuron's axon becomes damaged, its ability to facilitate and transmit signals to other neurons is disrupted due to the fact that the action potential no longer functions properly. When the myelin sheath, as well as the nerve fibers, become damaged, it causes the signals moving through the nerves to slow down or even stop completely. The cause of multiple sclerosis is unknown. It's considered an autoimmune disease in which the body's immune system attacks its own tissues. In the case of MS, this immune system malfunction destroys the myelin sheath. It isn't clear why MS develops in some people and not in others. A combination of genetics and environmental factors appear to be responsible. One gene that seems to have a relationship with the development of MS is the HLA-DQB1 gene on chromosome 6. This gene provides instruction for making a protein that plays a critical role in the immune system. The HLA complex helps the immune system to distinguish the body's own proteins from foreign invaders like viruses and bacteria. When this gene is altered in any manner, the immune system malfunctions and attacks the body's own organs and tissues. Many autoimmune disorders, like MS, have commonly been linked to this gene. With research underway, scientists are working to identify genes that play major roles in the development of multiple sclerosis. Common symptoms among those suffering from MS include loss of balance, numbness, tingling, weakness in the legs and arms, trouble walking, thinking problems, blurred or double vision, bladder and bowel dysfunctions, and muscle weakness or spasms. Although multiple sclerosis is untreatable, advances in science can alter, slow, but not stop the progression of the disease. The line of medications, both pill and injection form, is a never-ending list to help combat the side effects of this disease. Research to find a cure to this disease has only made progress on slowing or altering its progression. The disease is difficult to study because it acts differently when seen in animals' brains, only leaving people to be tested as guinea pigs. Thus far, there is no cure and only drugs created to combat the side effects of this disease exist.